Hello and welcome to this history tuition video. We are going to look at question 2 from a unit 1 paper, typical question 2. The format will always be the same. You will be asked to give or outline 2 policies, reasons, things or effects of a particular event, in this case the Cuban Missile Crisis. And we're going to look at 3 model answers and we're going to look at why they got the marks that they did. The first one only got 1 mark, as you can see. What they've done is they've given one effect. Okay, they've used good starting language, one effect, and they've given the effect of the Cuban Missile Crisis was mad. That gets them 1 mark. If they'd given a second one like that, they would have got 2 marks. But they haven't explained them. They haven't explained this reason. So to get the second mark for each reason, you need to explain it. This second one does explain it. One effect, they've used good starting language again. One effect of the Cuban Missile Crisis was mad, again, so that gets them the mark so far. But they've done more because they have explained, they've given details about it. One effect of the Cuban Missile Crisis was mad. This was mutually assured destruction, which meant that by 1956 the USSR and USA had so many nuclear weapons that they could destroy each other. 2 marks. But, as the question says, give 2 policies, reasons, things or effects, they only get 2 marks and not the full 4. This last one does get the full 4. They've done exactly the same thing for the first one, because that's all they needed to do to get the 2 marks. So they've used starting language, they've given their reason, and they've given details about their reason. But then they've done it again for a second reason, a second effect. Another effect, another good starting language. The Cuban Missile Crisis was that France left NATO, so they've given their second reason. And they've also given, for the final mark, extra details about that reason, that effect. So, another effect of the Cuban Missile Crisis was that France left NATO. France was worried that if nuclear war happened, the USSR would attack it if it was a member of NATO. France felt that if another crisis occurred, it didn't want to be a target in a nuclear war, so left the alliance with the USA. So, that is a perfect answer. It gets the full 4 marks, and everybody here is capable of doing that and picking up these marks, because every mark is vital. Thank you very much.